Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and this week's Slim on Rainbow Star Jr. is making a professional milk. Chocolate milk, actually. So, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. A straw. Any kind of straw you want. A cup. I chose this cup because I want to fit a lot of chocolate. Some Hershey syrup. You'll need quite a lot, so make sure you're prepared. Some milk, of course. I chose this milk because this is the milk I had. And some whipped cream if you want to have it, and some whipped cream if you want to add a little glaze on the top. Let's get started. First you're going to start off with your cup and pour some milk in it. Little spoon. When you think it's enough, if you made a spill, you can just wipe it off. Then you're going to open your Hershey syrup and put it in as much as you want. Then you get your straw and mix it up. After this, you're going to take your straw out. Lick it if you have to. And get your whipped cream. Shake it up. And you can add a little spark on the top. And there you have it. Some magnificent chocolate milk. Thanks for watching my video this week on Rainbow Star Jr. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!